Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video from One to Step, and in this video I am going to show you how to make multiple posts in one single post at Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to make a multiple post in a single post, you just simply have to open your Pinterest application at first. Then after that, you will get to see this create button at the bottom. Just simply tap into the create button and after that just simply select the pin option here. Then you just simply have to select the videos and photos that you want to create in a single post, and then after selecting multiple posts just simply click to this red next button at the top right corner and you can customize it from here. After finishing the customization, just simply click to the next button at the top right and then this page will appear. Now into here you have to put a title, description and a link if you have, just like other Pinterest post. And after doing all this customization, simply click to create. By following these very easy steps, you can easily make a multiple post in a single post in Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.